Kalites etmek. Endüstriyel çözüm ortağınız.
What DieTronic has been developing in the last 15 years of activity is a complete solution for the tube and pipe industry, not only to fight the issue of oxidation, particularly common during transport and long periods of outdoor storage with fluctuations in temperature and humidity, but in general to optimize the whole process and last not least the quality of the final product. The DieTronic Complete Tube product line is designed to avoid customers' claims and the risk of having to reject large amounts of production due to poor quality. In this regard, DieTronic has designed a complete solution which comprises cleaning of coil, cleaning of welded tubes, anti-corrosive spraying system and saw blade lubrication unit. The first device proposed is the coil cleaning system that, placed before the tube forming section, ensures the cleaning of the coil thanks to the use of a lower roller with rotating brushes that move transversely across the strip surface. In this way, it is possible to eliminate any marks and dirt particles that might otherwise remain imprinted on the tube surface, thus preventing damage or excessive wear on tube mill tooling. After the final calibration stands of the mill, a tube cleaner system can be integrated to provide a first deep pre-cleaning, especially important for very dirty tubes, for example in the automotive field. By using solvents or water-based products at a controlled temperature, the system can be adapted to tubes of different shapes and dimensions. After tube cleaning, a pneumatic air knife placed at the entrance of the anti-rust system blows compressed air directly on the tube, drying any possible residual of water and preparing a perfectly clean and dry tube surface, optimizing the later application of anti-corrosive fluids. The anti-rust spraying machine was conceived and enhanced over the years to spray the precise amount of product in a constant and homogeneous way, covering the whole tube surface and adjusting the rust prevention oil RPO quantity automatically and proportionally to the line speed. The system can work not only with different tube shapes, round, to square, but also with regular and irregular profiles. Thanks to its programmable PLC and touchscreen operator interface, it is possible to set and manage all the main lubrication parameters. You can select the desired RPO quantity to apply, choosing among 3 levels, which can be adjusted automatically and proportionally to the line speed variation. A distinguishing feature is the creation of recipes, which can be renamed, saved, deleted, or recalled. A 3 levels password protection ensures a better machine management and preserves its functionality. The diagnostic system can provide a summary of real-time alarms and warnings, as well as access to the history of all previous warnings and alarms from the machine activation on. Moreover, for each recipe, it will be possible to access the RPO actual consumption page. Each nozzle position can be adjusted, maintaining their distance from the lubrication point at a constant 50 millimeters. This is essential to ensure the best lubrication coverage and to optimize the oil application. The spraying nozzles are housed in a removable spray box, which can be easily extracted for maintenance and offline setup during mill size change. The spray boxes are available in different sizes, and in case of application on very different tubes or profile dimensions, it is possible to use multiple spray boxes on the same line. The anti-rust can be supplied with a motorized centering system, which allows an adjustment of plus or minus 100 millimeters to center the middle of the pipe in the spray box and keep the correct distance between nozzles and lubrication area. The recovery filtering unit collects, filters and recovers the unused oil from the spray box. 3 filtration stages separate the emulsion from the protection fluid. The recovered product will then return automatically to the main tank. The oil mist extraction system reduces the oil mist dispersion and comprises of a pre-filtration unit that collects pollutants and preserves the 2 other filtration stages, the last one with a high-efficiency HEPA filter. The final result is a clean and oil-free working environment. A manual pressure gauge displays the filter status. Green means that the filter is okay, yellow that it needs to be monitored, and red demonstrates that it should be replaced. The final device is the minimum quantity lubrication unit. Which comprises of 2 cooling nozzles to refrigerate the saw blade and a special nozzle to spray pure oil, not coolant, in minimum quantities directly into the cutting zone. The great advantage of this technique is that it eliminates completely the use of water after the application of anti-corrosive fluids on the tube, granting a more effective tube protection, enhancing the RPO performance and extending
Teknik. Endüstriyel çözüm ortağınız.